AI isn't just changing life on Earth, it's reaching for the stars. From planning missions to Mars to piloting rovers on the moon, artificial intelligence is becoming the co-pilot of humanity's journey beyond our planet. This is the future of AI in space exploration. There's a lot of AI on Mars right now. NASA's Perseverance rover is packed with AI. It uses machine learning to autonomously navigate rocky terrain, avoiding obstacles and making real-time decisions. No human joystick required. Why? Well, sending signals from Earth to Mars takes over 10 minutes, so robots need to be able to think for themselves. And Perseverance isn't the only one. China's Zhurong rover and ESA's ExoMars are following the same trend. They're all using AI to analyze rocks and soil, identify potential hazards, and make decisions in real time. This is a huge leap forward for space exploration. For the first time, we're sending robots to other worlds that can actually think for themselves. We've come a long way from the days of rovers that just drive around on their wheels. Back on Earth, mission control teams are also using AI. Machine learning systems analyze satellite data, detect anomalies, and even predict system failures before they happen. This helps reduce the risk and cut down the cost of space missions. It's like having thousands of digital assistants running 24/7, scanning data that would take humans months to process. For example, NASA's Deep Space Network uses AI to monitor the health of its satellites. The AI can identify anomalies in the satellite's telemetry data, such as temperature spikes or voltage drops, and alert the engineers before the issue becomes critical. Another example is the European Space Agency's Sentinel-1, a radar satellite that scans the Earth's surface every 10 days. The ESA uses AI to analyze the massive amount of data collected by Sentinel-1, identify areas of interest, and prioritize them for further investigation. AI is truly revolutionizing the way we explore space. With its help, we can keep our astronauts safe, explore more efficiently, and discover new things we never could have imagined. This is CIMON, the crew interactive mobile companion developed by Airbus and IBM. It's a floating AI assistant that can recognize faces, interpret voice commands, and even show emotions. I mean, it's like having a therapist, an assistant, and an engineer all in one. Astronauts will be able to talk to CIMON, ask it questions, and receive answers in real time. It can also help with more complex tasks like troubleshooting equipment or conducting experiments. And if an astronaut needs to vent, CIMON can listen and offer words of comfort. This is not just a science fiction fantasy. This is the future of space exploration. With CIMON and other AI companions, we can keep astronauts mentally healthy and productive on their long journeys through space. So, what do you think? Is this the beginning of a new era in space exploration? Let us know in the comments below. Planning a mission to another planet is like solving a 4D puzzle. You have to take into account not just the distance and the fuel needed to get there, but also the planet's gravity and its atmosphere. And that's just for the trip over. You also need to figure out where to land, how to land, and what to do once you get there. It's a lot of pressure, so companies like SpaceX are turning to AI to help them plan the perfect landing. The algorithm will take all of the data about a rocket launch, flight, and landing, and then simulate millions of variables to see what works best. It can simulate different landing speeds, different trajectories, even different amounts of fuel. Then it can compare all of those simulations and pick the best one. This way, instead of relying on human intuition, they can rely on data and math to make sure that their rockets land perfectly every time. And as we plan more missions to Mars and beyond, this technology is going to be more important than ever. Because if we want to get there safely, we need to make sure that our algorithms are up to the task. And who knows what kind of discoveries they might make? With the right AI, these probes could become our robotic ambassadors to the stars. AI is turning science fiction into mission-critical reality. From Mars rovers to AI astronauts, this isn't just the future of technology. It's the future of humanity's greatest adventure. Will our first steps on another planet be guided by artificial minds? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you want to see where AI is going next, don't forget to like and subscribe.